Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In a previous class we have learned the divisibility test for the numbers 2 to 11. Is it? 2 to 11 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 11. Okay. I hope you are understood that concept. If you have any doubt, ask. Okay. Ask to me. Now see the examples related to the divisible test. Okay. The first example of divisibility test, example 3. Okay. Example and exercise. Okay. Exercise 3.2. Now see the example. Test whether 72,148 is divisible by 8 or not. That is a question. Okay. Test whether 72,000 test whether test whether 72,148 is divisible by 8 or not. What is the divisibility of 8? The last 3 digit, is it? What is the rule? The last 3 digit is divisible by 8. The given number is divisible by 8. Okay. So solution. Here the number formed by the last 3 digits. What is that? Last 3 digits is 148. Okay. Which is divisible by 8? Check it. 148. Divisible by 8. How many times? 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So it's not possible. So only one time. So 8 ones are 8. Remaining 6. 68. How many times? 8 eights are 64. So remaining 4 is there. So added 0. So 40. 8 fives are 40. Okay. So 18.5. So it is not a divisible of 8. It is not a divisible of 8. Which is, so exactly divised this. Which is not divisible by 8. Okay. Exacta divide agano. Remainder should in 0. Then only he said the given number is divisibility of 8. Okay. Which is not a divisible by 8. Hence 72,148 is not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 8. Now see the next one of the example. Example 4. Test whether 5,43,14,172 is divisible by 11 or not? That is a question. So 5 crore 43 lakhs 14,172 is divisible by 11 or not? What is the divisible rule for 11? What is that? The difference between the sum of odd number and sum of even number. Sum of odd number and sum of even number. So you will write odd numbers here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there. Okay, 8 numbers are there. So first start from ones. Is it? Ones is start here. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Okay. So write the first one solution. The sum of the digits at even places is equal to, what are the even places? 5, 3, 4, 7. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. So sum of the digit at the even places 19. And next the sum of digits at odd places. Odd places is equal to, what are the odd? 4, odd numbers 4, 1, 1 plus 2. 4 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 5, 6, 8. Okay, difference between the sum of the odd number and sum of the even number. Okay, so difference is equal to 19 minus 8. What we get? 11. What is the rule? Either 0 or 11, multiple of 11. So here we got the 11. 11 is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore the given number is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Hence the number five crore 43 lakh 14,172 is divisible by 11. Okay. The first one, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? What is the rule for the divisible by 2? The ones digits are 0, 2, 4, 8. Is it? 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that the given number is divisible by 2? Okay. So first one, see A option. Solution. First one, 538. So one's digit is 8. So it is satisfy the rule of divisibility by 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, and B1 298. Here also one's place is 8. What is the divisible? For 2 is one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So here ones place is 8. So it's also, yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay. And third one, 1063. So here the ones place is 3. Ones place is 3. So it's not satisfy the divisible rule. So no, because the number 3 is in the ones place or digit. Okay. Reason enama? Because the number 3 is in the ones place. That's all. So second one, which of the following number are divisible by 3? Divisible by 3. So what is the divisible rule of 3? Sum of the digit. Sum of the digits. So first one is 219. So what is the sum of the digit? 2 plus 1 plus 9. So 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Is it? So yes. The given number is divisible by 3. Okay. And next B1, 3159. 3159. So what is the sum of the digits? 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. What we get? 6. Okay. Yes. The number 3159 is divisible by 3. Okay. C1 is homework. C1 is homework in second problem. Now see the third one. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Which are the following? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? What is the rule of the divisible by 4? The last two digits are divisible by 4. The given number is divisible by 4. Okay. So solution. The first one 28. So last two digits, is it? So last two digits is 28. Last two digits is equal to 28 is divisible by 4. Is it? It is divisible by 4. Therefore, yes, it is divisible by 4. And B problem, 85,698. 85,698. So check the last one. Check the last one. So its last two digit is equal to 90 is divisible by 4. What we get? 2 times 2 and 5. So it is not a divisible of 4. No, it is not divisible by 4. Okay, and C problem 37,900. Okay. So last two digit, one more rule for divisible by 4, is it? So last two digits are 0 or the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. That is the rule for the divisible test of 4. Okay, so see here 37,900, the last two digits are 0, so it should divisible by 4. Okay, here last two digits are 0. So 37,900 is divisible by 4. Okay, I hope you are understood the divisible test by 4. Okay, and next one, fourth problem. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Fourth one. It is divisible by divisible by 9. The first one 30,132. So what is the rule for the divisible test of 9? The sum of the digits and the value is divisible by 9. The given number is divisibility of 9, is it? So sum of this digits, okay, the sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So the given number is equal to 1. Okay, so yes, it is divisible by 9. That's it. And next one, B problem. Which of the following is divisible by 9? 20,772. The sum of digits equal to sum of the digits 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2. So 2 plus 7, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Okay, C problem is homework in fourth one. Okay, now see the fifth problem. Which of the following number are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7 means the difference between the twice the last digit and the number formed by the other digit, is it? So divisible solution by 7 if its difference between twice the last digit and the number by the other digits. Then it is called the given number is divisible by 7, is it? The first one 359 is given. 359. Okay, so 3 difference of the twice the times of the last digit, is it? So 359 minus twice the times, is it? Twice the last digit. So last digit is 9. Okay, the difference of other numbers and the twice of the last digit. What we get? 359 minus 18, 341. So it is not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. We get the value of 48 point something is getted. Okay, so no. So it is not divisible by 7. Okay, and B1 1507. Okay, 1507 I have considered 1507 difference twice the times of the last digit is equal to 1507 minus 2 sevens are 14. So subtract this, we get 1493 is divisible by 7. We get, so no, it is not divisible by 7. Okay, see the next C problem. Seven thousand and seven. Okay, so 7007 minus the twice of the last digit. Okay, so 7007 minus 14. Okay, we get 6993. Okay, divisible by 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 63, again 7 9s are 63. So is satisfied. So yes is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Okay, and next one, sixth one, test whether 32,527 is divisible by 11 or not. So what is the rule for the 11? The difference between the sum of odd and sum of even digits. Sum of odd digits and sum of even digits, we get the either 0 or 11. The given number is divisible by 11. Okay, the sum of odd digit, what is given? 32,527, 32,527. So what are the odd numbers here? Odd, even, odd, even, odd. So odd numbers 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15. Okay, and then sum of even digits is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So difference difference between the sum of odd digits and sum of even digits. So sum of odd digits 15 minus 4 we get 11. So either 0 or it's divisible by 11. The 11 is divisible by 11. Okay. Therefore, here 11 is divisible by 11. Yes, the number 32,527 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. And seventh one. Test whether 14,382 is divisible by 6 or not. What is the rule of 6? 6. It is divisible by 2 and 3. Then the given number should divisible by 6 because 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Okay. So here check. Seventh problem. Test whether 14,382 is divisible by 6 or not. That is a question. Okay. So first check the divisible test for 2. Okay. What is the rule? The end of the given number is one's digit is 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is present at the unit digit. The given number should divisible by 2. So here the unit place is 2. The given number is divisible by 2. Okay. Here the one's digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Okay. And next one 3. So what is the rule for 3? The divisible rule for 3 is the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Okay. So now add all the digits 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. Okay. 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 2, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Okay. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. So, the number 14,382 is divisible by 6 because 2 and 3 are the factors. Both divisible tests are satisfied the number. So, the 14,382 is divisible by 6. Okay. Now, see the 8th problem. Test whether 28,092 is divisible by both 3 and 4. So, check the divisible test of the 28,092 is divisible by 3 both 3 and 4. Both 3 and 4. 3 satisfy பண்ணனும் 4 satisfy பண்ணனும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay ma. So what is the rule for 3? Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 3. What is the rule for the 4? The last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or the last 2 digits are in zeros. Last 2 digits are 0 or the last 2 digits divisible by 4. The given number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now check that. First check the divisible test for 3. Okay. So what is the rule? The sum of the digits. Right. The sum of the digits 2 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus 2. Is it 10, 11, 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Okay. So it is divisible by 3. Okay. And next check the divisible test for 4. Consider the last 2 digit. Okay. The last 2 digits. What is that last 2 digits? 92. So 92 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remaining 1. So 4 threes are 12. So it is satisfied. It is satisfied. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. So the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4. Okay. Hence 28,092 is divisible by both 4 and 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. I hope you are understood the examples and exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Thank you, students.